Okay, hi guys, hello everyone. We're going to unbox this Blavor Power Bank. It's a solar charger power bank with flashlight and compass, and it's color orange. I've been using Blavor for like a couple of years, but the different chargers, but this is different one. I used a previous model and I used it for roughly 7 months. Unfortunately, I don't know what happened, but it smells burning. Blavor customer service or customer support, and without hesitation they give me a new one right away, and this is it from Blavor. So it's gonna be the same. So this one is not working anymore. It smells burning. If you open this one, you can smell the burning, like a plastic burnt inside. So I'm gonna open this one later and see what happened. So let's do the unboxing. So when you receive the package, you will have this sealed white box. It's a pretty neat and clean package. Okay, let's open it. So by the way, this is a 20,000 milliamp power bank, and it's a solar charge power bank as well. So you can just usually put it under the sun if you're hiking or on a trail. So we have here the welcome guide. Looks cool, looks rugged. And the warranty card. Well, it has a 1-year warranty, so that's why I got it replaced, by the way. So we also have a keychain, silicone here, and yeah, not a keychain, sorry, and a USB-C and a USB regular 2.0, I guess, and this is the charger itself. Nice. Oh, it's actually the same. Thank you card. Thank you for the purchase card. Okay, as you can see, because of my light, it's charging already. So I guess there's like a certain degree of light from a fluorescent light. It makes it charge, and you can see it's already working. Nice. And it also has a compass. What else? This is where you put the dangling, I mean the like a keychain. You can put it in your backpack, or you can hang it everywhere so that it will charge using the sun. And then what else does it have? So it has the USB 3.0, 2.0, USB-C, and a micro SD, and this is the flashlight. Let's see if it first works. There. So you just press it and hold it for a few seconds and it will, okay, that's bright. You can use it for camping. Well, we use it for camping. So this is the wireless charging port, and it says here it has 20,000 milliamp with 3.7 volts, and it has 5 volts 2.4 amps and 9 volts 2 amps with a type C USB 1 with output of 18 watts. Wow, for the USB 1. And then let's go to the USB 2, output 5 volts 3.3 amps. Okay, what I want to see is the wireless output, 5 watts, 7.5 watts, 10 watts. So it depends on your phone. If you have a fast charging phone, I mean battery with a wireless charging capacity, you can use this with this one. So let's try. So right now it has maybe about 3/4 charge. It stopped there. Okay, let's see if it works. So when first I need to grab a phone. Okay, so we got our phone here. Unfortunately, it's 97%, so it will not fully work because phone batteries have the settings that they don't really take that much charge when they're like almost fully charged. So this is a Samsung S8. It's an old one. Just want to make sure it's the wireless charging is working. So let's turn it on, and once you click this one will turn red. You will see the LED light turns red, and you put your phone in and see if it charges. Yes, it does work. It says it's charging. So my battery capacity is 3,500 milliamps, and it's charging with 669 milliamp right now. So as per experience, if your phone is almost fully charged, the current is less than 1 amp, because it's trying to, you know how lithium battery works. They don't like it when it's fully charged. So right now the current is 877 milliamps. It's actually a good one for wireless charging. But if it's the battery of my phone is less than 80%, the current should be more than almost 2000 or 2 amps or 2000 milliamps. Okay, so it's working. Let's see, remove it. Discharging. So it's red, it turns blue if it's charging. So when it's charging, the light turns blue. Oh, it turns green now. See, works fine. Okay, and then let's see also their charging ports. We're gonna use their USB cord that they provided. So let's do the USB 2 first and see if it works. It works. Okay, let's see if it's charging. There's no current. Try again. Something's wrong. No. Okay, good. Still negative. It's fluctuating. See? Wow, it's a fast charger. Using a wired one, it's charging. Oh, if you seen it earlier, it was about 2000 milliamps. But then again, it's 97%, so it's trying to reduce its current so that I won't overload the battery. So that's what I'm trying to check. And then let's see the other one. It says it's charging. Yep, it's working. Great. Then let's turn on the flashlight. It's a really good product. I really recommend this. So this is the broken one. I'm gonna try to open this one and see what's inside. And now I'm gonna have a different video about it. On this video, we're gonna try to we're gonna open and try to see what happened with this Blavor 20,000 milliamp power bank. Suddenly when I was charging it, it smelled like burnt plastic, and I stopped charging it, and then suddenly it stopped working. It smells really bad right now still, especially when you smell it from this side. So I hope this will not explode while I'm trying to open it. So I have a new one which is given or replaced by Blavor himself. I emailed it. I asked and told them what happened on my previous one, and without hesitation they sent a new one right away, and it came the next day. And I'm so happy and satisfied with Blavor, especially with their customer support. And they don't want this back because it's broken. They just sent a new one without having this sent back to them. So right now I want to open and check it out why it got burned. Let's see what burned inside. So to remove it, you need to remove this rubber cylinders here. Okay, so I got 9 there. See if we can open this one just by hand. There, it opened. Easy peasy. I guess we need to remove this one first. Oh man, it smells really burnt, like burnt electronics or burnt plastic. I just hope it won't explode. There. This can be removed. Just be careful. Boom! Destroyed. Oh, this one broke. I should have just pulled it up. So this is for the flashlight. This is the solar panel. And oh, here. You see this one? It's burned. Damn. That's where it got burned. Damn. It's toast. I don't know what happened, but I was charging it and then it just suddenly smelled burned. So I guess the circuit board is done. It's unreplaceable, but I don't know if we can still use the battery. I think it still has charge. Let's check. Well, let's try to cut the batteries. Well, the circuit board's done, so you can just cut it off. Okay. Maybe we can use this to replace this one if it gets broken. I'm not sure. And let's try to remove the circuit board. One just there. Just pull it out. Oh, you see? You see that smoke? Damn, it's really burnt. I just got it. Hey, why would it burn like that? What do you think? Yeah, that smell. Crispy fried circuit. Let's see what's okay. Battery. Okay, let's check if there's still power in this one. Okay. Okay, let's check if there's still some current in this one. Try not to touch both of them so that there's no short circuit. Negative, so it's totally done. -4. It's -4. -4. So this is done. The battery is done. But I want to open it. Make sure. The wireless charging pad, I want to see. I'm gonna break it. Maybe you can still recharge it. Yeah, replace it. There you go. Oh, it's using a thermal paste or thermal pad. Exclude. So they used two big flat lithium here, and one is 10,000 milliamp, and so there's two, so there's 20,000 milliamp. Nice. I guess that's it. This is the wireless charging pad. Cool. So I guess it's totally broken. Cannot use it. Too bad. Thank you for watching. Have a good day, guys. Bye. Okay, and that's it for now. Thank you for watching. And thank you, Blavor, for the replacement. See you guys. Bye.